Yo, what up, YouTube? It's S aka Scott, coming to you live from my house. It's Wednesday night. I just got back. I came back with a bunch of packages my brother opened just to make sure I got them. Some of them from a couple weeks. So we're just gonna open them, see what we got live on camera. What did he do? Like like the Upperdeck, it's like messed up. I don't get it. Where the hell's the card? I don't even think it's in there. Whatever, so keep going. I didn't even open this one. It's like coming out of the case. I'm at $3.99. Hakeem Nick's Ultimate Auto. This is pretty nice. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's the number 99 version, exquisite. Hakeem Nick's number 99. Patch Auto. I know it's one color. Can you even open this one? You got it. He says he's gonna open these. He doesn't open them. Oh, this is a nice rare card. Again, it's one color, but you don't see these a lot. Topps Chrome, Patch Auto. It's like takes a while to get them over to 25. It's a sick. Honestly, it's a sick card. It's rare than most people think. This is just a cheap one. I didn't have it. Topps Auto, Keep Nicks. I'm trying to get to this Upperdeck one. There's nothing in there. It was a Tiki Barber Auto. Oh, here it is. They changed it. It was an Al. Tell me if this is fair. Oh, he didn't tell me it was number 25. Tell me if this is fair. Post a comment. PM me. Let's talk about it. I had an Al Horford Exquisite Redemption number 50 auto, and I had a Glenn Dorsey Quad Jersey auto. So they took those two cards and they replaced it with a Fleer Ultra Tiki Barber auto. So that's a pretty good mail day. Probably go to the card store tomorrow. Bust packs, maybe pick up a box. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully, I'll have another box break. Hopefully, the top 5 box break comes back. A lot of box breaks. I'm home now for a few months. Alright, peace.